Hey there, if you're thinking about downsizing, making sure your new home is accessible should be top of mind. Let's walk through the essential checklist to ensure your smaller home is both comfortable and safe. By the way, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Realty, your go-to real estate agent here in Central Oregon. If you're thinking of selling, buying, or investing, I'm happy to have a conversation. My details are below. But for now, here are some simple steps to finding your ideal space. Number 1, no-step entry. First on our list is a no-step entry. This is a game changer for easy access, especially if mobility becomes a concern later on. It's all about getting in and out of your home without the hassle of stairs. Number 2, one-level living. Consider homes with a single-level floor plan. Why? It's simple. No stairs means easier access to every part of your home, from the bedroom to the kitchen. It's all about keeping things within reach. Number 3, open floor plan. Open spaces aren't just trendy, they're practical. An open floor plan means fewer barriers, more room to move around, and easier navigation throughout your home. It's perfect for mobility aids and reduces the feeling of being cramped. Number 4, wide doorways and hallways. Make sure your new home has wide doorways and hallways. This isn't just about moving furniture, it's crucial for anyone using walkers or wheelchairs. It's all about freedom to move effortlessly in your own space. Number 5, bathroom accessibility. Bathrooms need special attention. Look for features like walk-in showers, grab bars, and accessible toilets. These aren't just convenient, they're vital for a safe and comfortable living environment. Number 6, good lighting. Never underestimate the power of good lighting. Well-lit rooms not only make your home feel welcoming, but also improve visibility and reduce the risk of falls. It's all about seeing clearly and moving confidently. Number 7, easy to use handles and switches. Lastly, check for lever-style door handles and rocker light switches. These are much easier to use, especially for hands that don't grip as well as they used to. It's the small details that make a big difference. Remember, downsizing is your chance to choose a home that fits your future needs. Keep this checklist handy when you're house hunting, and you'll find a place that's not just smaller, but smarter and safer for your lifestyle. Thanks for joining me today. With these tips, you're ready to find a downsized home that doesn't just meet your needs, but exceeds them. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Realty.